In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly add Domo AI to Discord. This process will help you seamlessly integrate Domo AI's features with your Discord server, allowing you to enhance your server with advanced AI functionalities. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, make sure you're at the right starting point by navigating to the Domo AI website. This will be your central hub for accessing Domo AI's variety of services, including video transformations and more. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign in button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that, as this will be your gateway to all the exciting features Domo AI has to offer. Before we move on, it's always good practice to familiarize yourself with the platform's terms of service and privacy policy. So take a moment to click on the Term of Service Privacy Policy link. This is an important step ensuring that you're fully aware of how your data is being used, which is a key consideration when integrating AI functionalities. Now that you're signed in and informed, it's time to securely log in through Google. Clicking on the Login with Google button simplifies your access by using your existing Google credentials. This step streamlines the process, providing secure and quick admission to your account. Once logged in, redirect your attention to your profile area, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on Profile to access your personalized settings and options. Within this menu, locate and click on My Profile to dig deeper into your account details and customization options. With your profile page open, the next critical step is to establish the connection between Domo AI and Discord. Look for a Connect Discord button. This functionality allows Domo AI to interact with your Discord server, extending its capabilities. Clicking this button initiates the integration process, letting Domo AI work its magic within your Discord environment. Congratulations, you have successfully integrated Domo AI with Discord. With these tools combined, you're all set to enhance your Discord server's capabilities, making interactions and activities more engaging and automated with the power of AI. Remember, integrating technology like this can often lead to incredible realizations of what's possible within your community spaces. Enjoy exploring the new features and getting creative with how you employ Domo AI's functionalities in your server. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Until next time, happy connecting and innovating.